Today, we're diving into the top 5 deadliest building destructions in history. Events so powerful they reshaped laws, cities, and how we design buildings forever. Stay till the end, because number 1 changed the world in ways no one saw coming. And quick question, how safe do you think the building you're in right now really is? These disasters weren't just accidents, they were warnings. Each collapse exposed hidden dangers, human errors, or terrifying forces of nature. Let's begin, but fair warning, some of these stories are hard to forget. 5. SURFSIDE Condominium Collapse, USA, 2021. In the middle of the night, a luxury beachfront condo in Florida collapsed without warning. Over 98 people lost their lives while sleeping in their beds. No earthquake, no explosion, just silence followed by chaos. Investigations later revealed long-term structural damage and delayed repairs. Scary thought, right? A building doesn't need to fall dramatically to be deadly. It just needs time. And trust me, this is only the beginning. If aging buildings can kill silently, what happens when nature decides to strike next? 4. Rana Plaza Factory Collapse, Bangladesh, 2013. This 8-story factory collapsed during working hours, killing over 1,100 people. Cracks were seen the day before, but workers were forced back inside. The result, one of the deadliest industrial disasters ever. This tragedy exposed the dark side of fast fashion. Cheap clothes, expensive lives. Makes you think twice before clicking buy now, doesn't it? Next time someone says, deadlines are more important than safety, maybe show them this story. Awkward but necessary. 3. Seattle gas explosion, USA, 2014. A natural gas explosion leveled 2 buildings in seconds, killing 5 people and injuring dozens. What made it terrifying wasn't just the blast, it was how fast it happened. No countdown, no escape, just boom. It reminded the US how fragile urban infrastructure really is. And here's the cliffhanger. This wasn't even the most explosive event on our list. So far, we've seen neglect, greed, and infrastructure failures. But what happens when terror is intentional? 2. Oklahoma City BOMBING, USA, 1995. A single truck bomb destroyed the Alfred P. Murrah Federal Building, killing 168 people, including children in a daycare. The shockwave was felt across America, emotionally and politically. This attack changed building security forever. Bollards, barriers, and surveillance. This tragedy is why they exist. And yet, even this wasn't the deadliest. If that wasn't number 1, what could possibly be worse? 1. World Trade Center collapse, USA, 2001. Nearly 3,000 lives lost. 2 iconic towers collapsed after terrorist attacks, rewriting global history in hours. The destruction triggered wars, reshaped airports, and transformed skyscraper engineering worldwide. Buildings once designed to inspire now had to survive the unthinkable. This wasn't just a collapse, it was a turning point for humanity. Every disaster on this list taught painful lessons about safety, accountability, and preparedness. Buildings don't just stand, they hold lives, dreams, and futures. The real question is, are we learning fast enough? If moments like these shock you, wait till you see what cameras have captured next. Click on Top 10 Unbelievable Moments Caught on Camera, 2025 edition on my channel. Trust me, you won't believe your eyes.